This timer box is wired very, very sloppily, and it's a big mess. Okay, so we'll turn our breaker forward. Okay, that is our timer. It is off. So we have a big announcement of wires in here. Make sure all these wires are off. And we have some very uneven wires in here that are very sloppily together here. So we get this all untwisted. This is the load side, and all the live wires going out. So we'll get these all out. Get them all out here so they're all the same length. And we have a very sloppy connection around this load screw. So I'm going to open that screw up. I'm going to take our needle nose. Close the loop that are around the screw there. And we'll tighten our wires up. Okay, here we go. We got a nice, better connection here. All our wires cut to the same length there, so when we strip them and hook them up, will be a lot neater and a better connection. These are all the loads going out to the lights. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wires here. Okay, let's straighten this here. Okay. A little bit longer here. Okay, so we get all our wires together here. Now we got them all the same length. They'll look a lot better when we twist them, so we'll get our insulation even at the bottom here. I'm going to turn my other battery light on so you have some more light so you can see better. Okay, so we'll get our first two wires started here. Get a nice even twist. Get our insulation even at the bottom here. We'll bring our third one down in here. Get our insulation even at the top there. Get our fourth one down here. Get all our wires even here. Get our one from the timer. We'll bring that down in here. Get the insulation even at the top here. Get all our wires twisted nice and even here. Get them all even. Now we'll clip them so they're all even on the end here. So when I stick the wire nut back on, all the wires grab and they stay inside the wire nut. I'll put a red one in here. I can find it, if I can't put it. Put the red one back on. We don't get upset, frustrated. Okay, so we got them all together here. We're going to make sure our bottom is even here. Okay, so the wire nut is going to grab all of our wires evenly, and I see the insulation going up inside the wire nut. So now I'll take my pliers and I'll twist it on. So it's going nice and tight. It's grabbing all of the wires. And we'll fold it up into our box so we can close the door on it. Okay, they have all the ground wires together going to the around the box. We'll take our white wires off here. See how uneven that all is and a big mess? So we'll take this all apart here. All our wires out so that they're all nice and straight and even here. Put them down to a nice even length so we can use them all. We'll strip our wires nice and long, so we're going to cut them back some. This is the neutral for all the lights and the motor and the timer, so we'll get our wires started here. I'll get them going evenly here. back so our insulation is even at the bottom. Insulation even at the bottom. Keep our insulation even at the bottom as we're wrapping them in here. And we'll get our fifth one in here. Keep that insulation even down at the bottom here. We'll just twist it in so it goes into a nice spot where it sits nice and evenly. Okay, now clip it so our wires are even on the very end here. Okay, so all 5 of our wires even on the end there. We'll stick our red wire nut on here. Just twist it on so it goes all nice and tight. Okay, we've got a nice tight connection here. Now we're going to redo our connections on these 2 screws here because they're pretty sloppy. So this is the neutral for the lights and the timer motor. So I'll see how well that is hooked up. Okay, there's a little U-shaped thing here on the bottom of this clip. So that was mashed around it. So I'm going to take a plug and I'm going to close that loop. And there's this little flat beveled end there that's supposed to be facing down so the metal's not pushing on the copper. So now we have that wire on there the right way. When I'm done, I'll bring the camera up close so you can see that. I'm going to do the black wire here. Take this off. I'm going to lift it up. Okay, that's not stripped very long there, so I'm going to make a better loop here. Okay, so I'm going to close my loop. I'm going to turn this little beveled edge so it's down so that the beveled edge down so that there's the right way to hook it up. And I'll bring the camera up close so you can see that. See how I have the flat end of the metal washer where the wire goes in and around so that the wire stays under the curvature of the metal plate that goes over the copper wire. Same with the load one. Okay, now we can get all the ground wires are together and the ground is hooked up to the green screw in the back. It's behind that gray wire nut, so we'll fold our wires back into the box. This way we can close the box properly now. Now, the way to set this timer, we want to go on at 4 p.m. and go off at 6 a.m. So we pull this out and turn it to the time that it is right now. And right now it is about 11 p.m. No, it's 11, almost 12, so we're going to put it right there, put it in right here. And we're going to make sure our wires are out of the way of everything, and we can push this timer box closed. Now the door closes properly over the timer box and is properly wired. So that is how to properly wire a timer box here in the country I was born in. We use a 12 American wire gauge on 20 amps, 14 American wire gauge on 15 amps. The black is live, the white is neutral, the barrel, the green is the ground. Red and blue are also live colors. However, you may find white live in a switch loop or a 220-240 volt circuit where the appliance does not require a neutral. This timer I hooked up is for multiple outside lights on a very nice luxury apartment complex to turn on and off the lights, like in the parking area, the lights on the front door, and the lights on the back door, and the security lights. Peace. Thanks for watching.